Welcome to Life with Carrie.
Oh, look at
Today
that
I have
ugly
bad
hair.
hair day.
Mm.
So this is actually how my hair looks after I blow dry it. It's like extremely like frizzy and puffy,
And witchy.
and it does this all the time. So I always have to straighten it. So today we have an all new straightener from Amazon. It's called the Usmooth. 1.5 inch professional styling iron. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out today and give our honest review and see if it could fix this terrible hair. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. So we have this, it's the instructions. We have the iron right here. We'll take it out. The instructions, it says hair tight for fine or color treated, you want to use 250 to 325 degrees, medium 325 to 350 degrees, coarse thick 350 plus, and professional treatment 400 plus. So we're going to use the higher treatment for my hair because it needs professional help. The cord is actually quite long, which is good. And as you can see, it has the mirrored plates. And we'll adjust the temperature right here with that button. And we'll try it at 400. It actually goes higher than that, but we'll try 400 since my hair needs some serious help. So since my hair is so thick, go ahead and we'll take a smaller section underneath first. And we'll clip up the top part. And it's cool because it actually reads the temperature. It's already at 400 degrees and it's only been like a minute.
Not even a minute.
So it heats up super quickly.
30 seconds.
Yeah. So we'll go ahead and give it a shot. See what it does. It's getting pretty good. Seems like it's working okay so far. It glides through.
Smooth.
In this part, you could always do fast motion if you want, just to show. Alright, so we did the one side of the hair. It actually only took like about 5 minutes to do it, but as you can see, it worked really good. This side is what it looked like before. You can see it's like huge compared to the other side. And I just put some smoothing cream on it after and it made it all nice and smooth. I would probably give it 4 stars because I have one that actually works better than this one and this is a little bit cheaper. So I would say I'll give it 4 stars only because the price is a little pricey. It was like $150 on Amazon. I would say I would give this 5 stars if it was probably around $99, just compared to the other ones on there because it is a bit pricey, and I have one that I like a little bit better than this one that I paid less than $150 for. So I would say it's a good straightener. It works really quick. It straightens fast. It heats up fast. It has many different temperature settings. It's easy to use, easy to hold. So I would definitely recommend it. So I hope this review helps you and happy shopping. Thank you for watching.